Section 3.3 Numbers 21 to 30. Let's count from 21 to 30 in Spanish. Please repeat after me. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Now, let's count from 21 to 30 in French. Please repeat after me. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Let's move on to section 3.4, numbers 30 to 100. Multiples of 10 in Spanish. Please repeat after me. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Examples of two-digit numbers in Spanish. Please repeat after me. 31, 43, 65, 57, 88, 92. Multiples of 10 in French. Please repeat after me. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Examples of two-digit numbers in French. Please repeat after me. 31, 53, 64, 75, 81, 92. Next, we'll cover a summary of Spanish numbers. See you in the next video.